We're making corn and cheese chowder today. It's Ree Drummond, the Pioneer Woman's recipe, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to recreate the plate today. I've never made this one, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of butter in, get those melting. And then we are going to saute 3 peppers, and I'm using red, orange, and yellow. I'm going to go ahead and get those in. This recipe also calls for a couple of slices of bacon. I'm going to get those right in with the peppers. This is 1 finely chopped onion. Smelling great. Now she used fresh corn, and she actually cut the corn off of the cob. I'm not going to go to that extent. I'm just going to use a bag of frozen corn, and I'm using white corn. It looks pretty in the pot. Now we add in a 1/4 cup of flour. We just kind of stir this in to the bottom. I think this is going to help make it thicken up once we put our chicken broth in. Turn the heat down a bit. Get that all incorporated. That's made it kind of thick. And now we add in 3 cups of chicken broth. That's 2. This will be 3. I'm just going to let this heat back up. And now we add 1½ cups of half and half. And we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, now we add the cheese in, the last step, and we add in 1 cup of Monterey Jack and 1 cup of pepper jack. And we're going to add in some salt and pepper. I'm not going to add much salt because the cheese is probably going to make it salty enough. All right, let's get that all melted. I'm going to add a little green onion to the top. This looks really good. Let's give it a try. Need to let it cool for a bit. Mmm. Oh, that is good, y'all. It's too hot. Mmm. Mm. Well, I think Ree Drummond's recipe is great. I think we were able to recreate it successfully. So I think this is one that you guys should try. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining.